Hi everyone, hope you're well. Nice to see you all there. Oh yes, and you, well done. And I'm glad you joined late. Right, here we go. Today we're going to look at Hanshow's great little swivel mount for your screen. So if you wondered why you'd want it to look from this to this, I'm going to show you right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Hello, I'm over here.
It's improved. It's a Mal modification.
So if it's your first time, nice to have you join us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to make it grow and grow and bring you lots more entertainment. That's what we're going to do. So, Hanshow. Who are Hanshow? Well, Hanshow make the power trunk like this. They also make the power frunk like that. Furthermore, they make the ring. But it doesn't just stop there. Now, they're like Tesla. They turn their hands to everything and they make it very well. And what they've made today, I'm going to be showing you, is the swivel screen. Now, at the moment, your screen is fixed. But it could be like this. You can tilt it quite a lot for your passenger. So your passenger can sit there enjoying Netflix when you're popping out to the shops or you're buying stuff. Then you come back and you go, I want the screen now. So you slide it back like that. And you can have it even more facing you, which makes it really good. Because if you're watching a movie like this, you think, oh, I wish it could just tilt a little bit. Now you got it like that, so you can tilt it just to enjoy that a bit further. It's very easy, the 4 screws, you've got it there. The only difficulty is it's a two-handed job really, because you need someone to hold the screen and you need somebody to put the screws underneath, because you have to work with the screen from the passenger seat. And the reason for that is there is a sensor, and the sensor is on the driver's seat, and as soon as you sit on the driver's seat, the power comes back to the screen, and you don't really want to do that while you're trying to unplug it and plug it back. But as long as you pay for those rules, the installation is a breeze. Very much of a doddle. You just take it off, clip it out, put it back. You've done it within 15 minutes. You've done. But I had Ricky, luckily, to give me a hand. So that meant I didn't have to struggle. Because there's nothing worse. If everything looks difficult, you're not going to do it, right? This, on the level of easy, is a level 5 of easiness. It really doesn't get any easier than a couple of screws, take off this shroud that I've thrown on the floor. Just take this off. And if you know, that was on the back of the set, and there's the bottom there, and that fits. The screen mounts through that piece of the back, like so. And that's it really. So you just flip that off, get rid of that. So those are the parts you don't need anymore. Keep them, because if you ever want to put the screen back to factory, you can just put them back in and take the swivel mount off. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, you're done. What more could you want? Not a lot, right? I can tell you, not a lot. One of the easiest mods I've had to do to the car. Very happy with this mod. Love it. If you want to see what my other mods are doing, I've got the top 14 mods. It becomes the top 15 mods now, because Hanshow have made a wonderful product. Keep bringing out stuff that we need, because it's all there for us and we can enjoy every bit of it. And like everything they make, it is very high quality, very easy to fit in and very good to use. Until the next one, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. Remember, If you're buying a new Tesla, use my referral code link here and don't forget to subscribe. It's free.